Did you know businesses focusing on niche markets are significantly more profitable? It's true. They often outperform those trying to cater to everyone. This is the power of finding your niche. It's like discovering a gold mine hidden in plain sight. But how do you find your own gold mine? In this fast-paced world, you need answers quickly. That's why I'm going to show you how to find your profitable niche in just 1 hour. We'll uncover the secrets to identifying a market that's perfect for you. This isn't about complicated formulas or endless research. It's about practical steps you can take right now to set yourself up for online success. Let's get started. Time is precious, and we're all about efficiency here. So, what exactly is a profitable niche? It's a specific segment of a larger market with unique needs, interests, and desires. Think of it like this. Instead of selling shoes to everyone, you focus on vegan running shoes for women. You're narrowing your focus to attract a highly motivated audience. Why is this important? Because when you cater to a specific niche, you become the go-to expert. You build stronger connections with your audience, leading to increased sales and loyalty. And the best part, you can do all this quickly and efficiently. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges of finding your niche. Many aspiring entrepreneurs find themselves stuck, overwhelmed by the sheer number of possibilities. One common fear is market saturation. With so much competition online, it can feel like every niche is already taken. Don't worry, we'll debunk that myth soon. Another challenge is a lack of direction. You might have a general idea of what you want to do, but struggle to pinpoint a specific niche that resonates with your skills and interests. But here's the thing. These are just roadblocks, not dead ends. With the right strategies, you can overcome these obstacles and find your perfect niche. Let's start with the most important factor, your passion. What are you genuinely excited about? What topics could you talk about for hours on end? Your passion is the fuel that will keep you going when things get tough. It's what will make you stand out from the crowd and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Think about your hobbies, interests, and skills. What problems do you enjoy solving? What kind of impact do you want to make on the world? Write down a list of at least 10 things you're passionate about. Don't overthink it, just let your ideas flow freely. Section 5, Strategy 2, Spying on the Competition. Now let's put on our detective hats and analyze the competition. Remember that fear of market saturation? Well, I've got good news. Competition is actually a good sign. It means there's already a proven market for your niche. Instead of being intimidated, use it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Visit the websites of successful businesses in your potential niches. Pay attention to their products, services, marketing strategies, and target audience. What are they doing well? What could they be doing better? How can you differentiate yourself and offer something unique to the market? Section 6, Strategy 3, Diving Deep into Market Research. Time for some data-driven decision-making. Get ready to embark on an epic journey. Smash that subscribe button and join our community, which is packed with thrilling adventures and endless fun. Embrace the excitement, create lasting memories, and connect with fellow thrill seekers. Adventure awaits, so why wait? Jump in now and let's explore together. Market research is essential for validating your niche ideas and ensuring there's a viable demand for your products or services. Thankfully, there are countless free and affordable tools available online to help you gather valuable insights. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify popular search terms related to your niche. This will give you an idea of the search volume and competition level for different keywords. Explore social media platforms, forums, and online communities to see what people are talking about, what problems they're facing, and what solutions they're looking for. Section 7, The Secret Sauce, Your Unique Angle. Here's the key insight that will set you apart from the crowd, your unique angle. This is what makes your business stand out from the competition and attracts a loyal following. It could be your specific expertise, your unique approach to a common problem, or your ability to serve an underserved audience within your niche. For example, instead of just selling vegan running shoes, you could specialize in vegan running shoes for people with wide feet. See how that narrows your focus and makes you the go-to expert for a specific audience? Think about your skills, experiences, and passions. What unique perspective can you bring to your niche? What makes you different from everyone else? Section 8. Your niche awaits. Time to take action. Congratulations! You've identified your passions, analyzed the competition, conducted market research, and discovered your unique angle. Now it's time to take action. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you miss. Remember, you don't need a perfect plan to get started. Just start. Choose one niche idea that excites you the most and start building your online presence. Create a simple website or landing page, start engaging with your target audience on social media, and share your expertise with the world. The most important thing is to take that first step and keep moving forward. You've got this. Section 9. Join the niche revolution. Finding your profitable niche is just the beginning of an exciting journey. As you continue to learn, grow, and adapt, your niche will evolve with you, but you don't have to do it alone. Join the online business community, connect with like-minded individuals, and share your journey with others. What are your passions? What niche ideas have you come up with? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's support each other on this incredible journey.